Yo guys, welcome back to another new video reaction. Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are guys. And I want to use this opportunity to thank each and every single one of you that be supporting this channel. Guys, thank you very much for your support. I appreciate it a lot for the bottom of my heart, man. And guys, today is all about howling. Wow, and let's go straight to it without no waste of time, guys. Okay. Wow. Holy shit. Chips. Wait. What a clone?
First we rockin', that's how we roll. Lock is hot cause X flip that dome.
God damn, this girl, she's demanding us.
Just grow.
Oh
Opposition, my brain, my bones.
days.
Game of hunger, bring that smoke. You don't want no smoke. Thanks out. Attack on three, that's a man down. I've been throwing these balls like a handout. Too many capping, I be losing head count. See the red dot. I like to cook, so I hump for my dinner. My appetite only get bigger and bigger. If I too wolf, then it must be a thriller. Woke up in blood, so I must be a killer. Way out when it fades out, can hide in the dark.
Guys, first of all, straight up, guys. Because I'm a little bit confused right now. The beginning of the video, there was like a lot of clone of HG, and secondly, you can still see the chips and something stuff like that. Now, they are acting so weird and so demonic right now because I love the vibe. Keep it up. I love the energy. This is the type of strategy that a lot of artists need to keep it up. Now, me, one thing that I love about these girls, one thing from her, their graphic video is so insane, like their creativities. Damn, guys, creativity is the most important thing no matter what you're doing. When you know how to strategize and creativities and do a lot of artwork in your music video or whatever you're doing, guys, I swear to God, you go to people, but it's hard, and it's hard to find someone that will teach you exactly the way you need it. You know what I mean? Like, shout out to HG, man. You're dope.
Moonlight and the full rise is going down. Nothing can stop her and dangerous, so don't play with us, could be dangerous. So run if you hear the sound, cause that's how we howl. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. Where are you now?
God damn.
Moonwalk on a rooftop like a roof. I move like Nat Geograph with a zoom shot. Hoorah, huddle up, bring in the whole squad. These places not for you to reenact. First down and you know how we adapt. Touchdown and you know how we impact. Caught the throw, got the goal. Rewind the video, do it when you get it, run it back. You unleash the beast. Call it Wolfgang cause we back to beast. Call it first hand, a new type of breed. Never sees, I got mouths to feed. Listen to hear the howling. Sound of a couple thousand hours. Now to feel surrounded. I move with silence. Root like a group of wilders. No choice but to choose the violence. Can break out, no escape route. There's nowhere to hide. It's close to midnight and the night skies come hunting down. Nothing can stop or endanger us.
Holy shit, like, oh god damn. God damn. God damn. Guys, I'm sorry for pausing it, but this is dope. I mean, real dope. I swear to God, this is real dope. Alright, let's go on. Can't you see the graphic, like the creativities?
Feel dangerous, could be dangerous. So run if you hear the sound, cause that's how we howl. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. Where are you now?
Damn.
Welcome to the world where the strongest won't survive. Too late to run away, you better kneel and pray. We're howling in the dark.
Damn, they are all the same. That is the most, oh my days. Wait, I don't get it right now. Like that. Oh my god. Oh, wait. What did I just experience? No, like that, the most weird part of it is they are all the God, the billions of them over there claiming to be the right person to keep the right generation of something stuff like that. Guys, comment your opinion down below. This music seems weird, but I love it. I personally love it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment your opinion down below, guys. Do keep